Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to install the latest version of TeamViewer on Windows 11, step by step. Open your browser and go to the official TeamViewer site. Once you're there, click Download for free under the Windows section. This will start downloading the TeamViewer setup file. Download progress running at the top right of the browser. Once the download is complete, go ahead and double-click the setup file. You'll see a few options. Choose Default Installation. Then click Accept. Installation progress running. After installation, TeamViewer will launch automatically. Here, you'll see your TeamViewer ID and password. Go to Advanced option and set TeamViewer password for remote login. And that's it. You've successfully installed the latest version of TeamViewer on your Windows 11 PC in 2025. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows tutorials. Thank you.